Hey everyone, so today we're gonna install this Microsoft AI Red Teaming Playground for learning about some of the red teaming side that we can do from the AI and it's one of the Microsoft. So initially we need to create a Azure portal from OpenAI endpoint and then we need to connect it and we can normally create it from the basic student ID like these that I show you here and the models the two are dependent in the chat GPT-4o and the text embedding 8802. Along with it now, we need to install it locally in the Kali Linux. So I simply copy this. I'm gonna install it in a desktop. Now we can see we have got it to in the example file now. We can simply say here we need to add our API key and our endpoint of the OpenAI. So what we can do it we can copy to and then with mousepad or Vim, whatever you feel comfortable with. You can open it here. Let me zoom in for you guys. Just a example, if you the first it needs like a token or something, so just gonna do this. So this will be our secret key here. Similarly, the same procedure. We need to copy it and this will be our auth key here and here. Now we need our Azure AI of the open, so we need to go to our portal where we created our ChatGPT GPT-4 model. So this will be our endpoint. Make sure that we don't need this. I can't delete it. And save it. And that's all. It turned out due to some configuration error, like my file didn't save it. So I'm gonna just do it now with Vim here. Because why not? Well, this will be my secret key. And similarly, this will be my auth key. I copy the endpoint here. Yes, I got it here. And this will be my endpoint and this will be my key. Simple as that. Now I save it with sudo permission. After we hit the compose up and installing all the Docker images and all, we see that the server is running. So now we simply need to copy our local host with the auth key. This auth key is very important that we set up. Simply copy it, open it on our browser. I am using Firefox for this. Test it, and here we go. Now we can directly launch this attack and then test it. We'll be making series of this for the different one. Yeah, have a nice day.